Hello and welcome at Road to Detailing. My name is Victor and I appreciate you being here with me today. In this video, I am going to show you an effortless, easy to use air conditioning cleaning method by using Bilt Hamber's Aircon Bomb. To be honest, before making this video, I was wondering what will I say about an easy to use, one click and done product. But then moving ahead with the process, just like choosing the right product itself, facing with questions of why, when and how, alongside with the pros and cons, I actually figured it out. There is a good few information which I would like to share with you regarding to this topic. But before we dive into the nasty details and you would like to know more about car detailing products, learn more about the process, or you just simply in love with cleaning cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and explore the car detailing world together. With that said, let's get back on track with the lazy guy's method, Bilt Hamber's Aircon Bomb. While using an aircon bomb is an easy to use method and doesn't require any kind of interior cleaning at all, I decided to do so because I haven't cleaned the inside of my car since a while. Other than that, after I realized how much mold has been built up inside the air vent covers, I decided to remove and deep clean them as well. In my case, the amount of molds have been built up in the air vent covers is quite obvious and actually seeable, which I was even surprised with, so I clicked them off its place under 5 to 10 seconds to give them a very quick but thorough cleaning with an APC, a detailing brush and 2 microfiber cloths. As an APC, I use Bilt Hamber Surfax HD diluted down to 1.5% in a 500ml spray bottle alongside with 2 microfiber cloths, a dry microfiber cloth for drying and a damp microfiber cloth to neutralize the APC with some water. Easy and simple steps. First mist some Surfax HD on the surface and into the tube of the air vent cover, then agitate it with a detailing brush to let the product do its job better. As a disclaimer, physically cleaning the air vent covers is an absolute optional step to do and doesn't require that at all, but if you have decided to remove them as well, please consider to do so only on your own risk. Once it's done, remove the dirt and residue with a damp cloth and wipe over the surface with the dry cloth, then let it sit for a while to dry out completely by the outside air. I like to do this kind of air conditioning cleaning at least every 4 to 6 months because of 2 reasons. One, the weather in Ireland is very humid and wet, so the chances I have molds and disgusting things growing in the aircon system is basically double than normal. Reason number 2, which is the most important, to have clean and fresh air to breathe in while me and my family are traveling with the car. In my opinion, the first and most important thing is to choose the right product of your need. The second is to understand what Bilt Hamber's Aircon Bomb offers. As with any other product, reading the label and follow the correct steps by the instructions is very important, so let's go ahead with the process. Make sure that all the air vents are open and allow airflow inside the car. Turn on the engine of the car and set the air conditioning in recirculation mode, which is an important step as the product needs to stay inside the aircon system for efficient use. If you forgot this step, the results won't be too great as most of the solution will go out even if you have the doors and windows closed. Set the temperature of the air conditioning to the coldest temperature possible. In my case, it is 16 Celsius. Leave the AC running like this for 2 minutes. Once it's done, pull the car seat fully back at the passenger side and make sure you have enough space for the product to spread freely in the air, as if not, you will be dealing with stains on your plastic, which I assume you don't want. Step number 6 is the moment of all we were waiting for, but before that, make sure to give the bottle a really good shake to have the best performance out of this 150 ml aircon bomb. Then remove the lid, pull the trigger and place it on the passenger side foot valve. Close all the doors and windows, then leave the product do its job by releasing all the components for 3 minutes. The mist will stop at around 1 minute, which is perfectly fine because the disinfection will happen by the solution recirculating in the system. The past few days, I have read a good few reviews on different sellers' websites by customers who were disappointed with the outcome after using Bilt Hamber's aircon bomb, and the reason behind that was very simple. They were looking for something which Bilt Hamber doesn't offer: long-lasting smell. If you would like to have a pleasant smell with the scent of your choice in your car for weeks, then Bilt Hamber's aircon bomb is simply not the right product to choose. In that case, you might better off picking of some other brand's aircon bomb, for example like Maguire's Re-Air Freshener range, which is amazing from that aspect. Few months ago, I had the chance to try out the new car scent from their range, and I can tell you that it smells great and will last for a good few weeks as well. However, I was certainly looking after for an aircon bomb which offers pure but deep disinfection, meaning kills all bacteria, fungi, mold and viruses, so the smell wasn't too important when I decided to buy Bilt Hamber's one-shot air conditioner treatment, as it claims everything I was looking for. Step number 8, turn off the engine and open all the doors to vent out the remaining residue by the outside air. It's quite a strong formula, but the product itself leaves a nice and refreshing citrus scent after application, but basically after the first overnight, when the product settled and cleaned all the nasty stuff out, the inside of the car has been left with nothing else but pure, odorless fresh air, which I'm very happy with. If you use the aircon bomb after you did an interior cleaning beforehand, I recommend to apply any trim dressing after the process, just in case if you will have to deal with any residue left on the plastic components of the car. Overall, if you are looking for pure sanitizing and cleaning abilities by an aircon bomb, this product could be a great choice in my opinion. But if you are looking for something else with a long-lasting scent, you should consider to choose other brands' aircon bombs, because you are going to be disappointed with the outcome of this product then. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel for videos like this and turn on a notification bell to never miss some future uploads. All your support helps the channel growing and it's much appreciated. For behind the scene content, you can find me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram @roadtodetailing and consider to join to my Patreon family. Also, before you leave, check the links in the description and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, take care and see you soon.